Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making a warm, hearty and super comforting bowl of tomato braised noodles. Whether it's a busy morning, a late night craving, or just a quick dinner after work, this one always hits the spot. Let's get started. We will need 1 tomato. Just make a small X on the bottom. Put it in a bowl and pour over some boiling water. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and the skin will slide right off. Then, let's chop it into chunks. Also prep a bit of chopped scallion and minced garlic. And grab a portion of noodles, just enough for how hungry you are. We will also need 2 eggs. Okay, all the preparations are done. Heat up some oil in the wok. Crack in the eggs and let them fry slowly over low heat until golden and set. Then remove and set them aside. Now in the same wok, don't waste that oil. Toss in the tomato chunks. Stir-fry them until they break down into a saucy base. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to boost that rich flavor. Keep stirring until it blends in nicely. Add in the minced garlic and spring onion. Give it all a quick toss. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it all together. Then pour in about 600 milliliters of water. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Bring it all to a boil. Once it's bubbling, drop the eggs back in. Then add your noodles. Okay, put on the lid and let it braise on low heat for 5 minutes. Alright, time's up. Just look at that. My stomach is already grueling. Sprinkle over some spring onions for a final touch. Check this out! Noodles soaked in that savory tomato sauce. Let me take a bite. Yummy! You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.